Oh my god. Hey yo everybody, what is good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, InZaNe Trd. What up TRD fam, how you doing? My name is Eddie. For you that are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. You know how y'all doing? It's a beautiful day. It's pretty hot today. I'm in my garage, but I do have something new for y'all today and we're gonna try it out. I've been looking at so many reviews trying to see what's up with it, and I finally bought it and I was like, you know what, worst comes to worst, I just return it. So that's what I'm doing. What I purchased today is, yes, a pedal commander. So I've been doing a lot of research on this pedal commander just to, you know, really see what it does and what it's about. The reviews that I've been seeing and why I got it, because I actually want it for that, is that it helps with the throttle response. It reacts it more quicker, and that's what I need. Because bro, that lag response, it's too laggy. My foot's all the way down, it doesn't even do anything. So we're gonna install this today and see if it makes a difference. Smash that like button if y'all ready for this and see if it really works or not. I will install it and see if it really makes a difference or not, and I'm gonna keep it 100. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, I will tell you it does. Also, one thing, if you guys are following my Instagram, InZaNe Trd222, I appreciate y'all for following the Instagram. Honestly, one of my real videos like blew up like crazy, and now it's viral. Like, it's going viral like crazy, and over like the past 2 days I've been growing nothing but followers, bro. I was like at 240 and now I'm at, let's see right now, 723 right now as we speak. Bro, crazy. This is the video that blew up. If you guys aren't following, this is the video that blew up. Look, 67k views, bro. The video that blew up.
Supra? No. Motherfucking Toyota Camry.
Bro, that is the video that blew up, and it's just making me like Instagram famous right now. Look at, bro, absolutely crazy. That video just blew up like crazy, and now I'm getting like tons of support and love. Like, people love it. Some people really think it's real. Like, obviously, if you guys know, that audio is not real, bro. Like, obviously, sound is obviously someone else, and I did it on my car. I just happened to sync in the door, so people probably believed it and were like, what the hell? The comments even say like, where's the driver at, who's revving it? Like, bro, come on, it's common sense, bro, come on, dog. But actually, I just ordered this license plate frame that gives you the, like, to adjust it to put on the left side instead of having it just only in the middle. I could put it left or right. So I just bought this and it came in. I didn't know it was coming in today, actually, to be honest. Thought it was gonna come in like next week, but came in early. Dope, even better. But let's get this installment. I'll let y'all know if it works, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys want to see the installment. I'll probably show y'all. We'll see. All right, guys, so this is what you want to do. You see that cable right on top of the gas? Yeah, right up there. You see it, you know what I'm talking about. That one right there. Yep, that wire right there. We gotta disconnect that. We gotta connect it to this wire right here, and connect that wire to this one, and then that should be it. As simple as that. That's what they said. Alright guys, moment of truth. It is installed, and now we're just gonna see if it works or not. Alright, so, oh wait, I actually have to, let me download the app too, because I guess that could work too. So I'm gonna download the app because I know there's an app for it. Alright, that whole app thing seemed like way too much work, so I don't even want to do all that, but let's just see if this thing works or not. See if I get any Christmas trees or anything like that. No Christmas trees. Okay. Now let's see if this thing is on. Okay, now we're on Sport Plus. We're on +4. Alright. I don't know, man. I think the only way to figure it out is if I drive it. Cause Yo, not gonna cap, okay. Cause used like before when I used to just push it all the way down with my foot, like I'd usually push it all the way down and nothing would happen, like nothing. My foot would just stay in the bottom. But now that I'm like, it's pretty quick. Wow. Okay. It's on sport. All right, you know what? The only way to do this is to really go try it. That's what we're gonna go do. I'm gonna go test drive this. Alright guys, just to show you, I am on Sport Plus, and I am at 4 plus 4 and on sport mode. So we about to see what's up right now. Alright. So sensitive. I ain't gonna cap. I'll give it to it. Hold up. Alright, you know what, y'all? Yo, this shit needs to chill. Alright, yeah, you know how the hold up. Oh my god, bro, look. Like, my foot's barely touching it, bro. Oh, damn. It's very reactive, I will tell you that. Cause look, bro, like, I'm not gonna cap, my foot's barely on the... Oh. Hold up. Oh, that's where it is. That's what. Look, yup. Does feel a little bit more responsive. I'm not gonna cap. But I do want to try it on the paddle shifter, so we'll see how that feels right now. And I'm on sport mode. Hold on. Oh, bump. Damn, alright. Okay, hold the fuck up. Alright. That was something different right there. That reacted pretty quick. On that shifting, it reacted pretty quick. Shit caught. Oh, yeah. And it's just the throttle response too. My dad even heard it too. I guess we can say this one is pretty much a success, because holy shit, like the throttle response worked, bro. That shifting that I did on that pull right there, like caught that gear real quick. Like it responded to it real fast on the throttle. So low-key, I'm gonna say it really works. I'm gonna try it out obviously more throughout like the week and really give it like I'll let you guys know overall if it really works through the city and all these other modes. But so far that Sport Plus mode, it was pretty reactive and it took pretty off. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna say it gave it power, but the throttle response was fast. Like it was just quick on. And I actually do have a carbon fiber lip that's supposed to come in today, and we'll probably install that if it comes in within time, but I'm sure it'll come in. Guys, carbon fiber lip just got here. Let's see. Got the screws. Whoa. And apparently this is universal, so it's supposed to fit, I guess, all of them or any of them. Oh, it's black. They capped with me, bro. They said it was gonna be carbon fiber, lying fucks. I'm gonna hit them up and disclaim them, bro, because they told me it was carbon fiber. Yeah, this is just all gloss black. I contact the seller on eBay, seeing what they're gonna do, because obviously I ordered a carbon fiber splitter, not an all gloss black splitter. So if they give me like a partial refund for what I spent, I'll be like cool with it and I'll just keep it, I guess. But if they can just swap that, I'm cool with that too. But I ordered the carbon fiber one. It's all gloss black, bro. All gloss black. I mean, I'm not mad at it either, but I could have bought one of these cheaper. Yeah, all the pieces are black, bruh. Damn. This is how it looks. Let me know what y'all think, bruh. Should I place it more on this side? Or is it good there? I don't know. Let me know. Or should I just take it off? Let me know. But I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Y'all saw me install that pedal commander. I mean, it works. Like, I stepped on it and it gave me, the response was quick, bro. Like, it did what it had to do. The responder, the throttle responder, that's what I wanted. The throttle response to just be quicker, and it was. I'm gonna keep using this, see how it goes, and we'll see off that. The lip kit, the lip obviously was not carbon fiber. I wish it was, or else I would have installed it, but it's not. So I'm gonna see what's up with that, and I just gotta wait until the seller contacts me back. So I just gotta wait on that. But overall, that's basically what I did for today on the car. There's so much more stuff I obviously want to do, like the rims. I might powder coat them. Wrap is coming soon. Like, so many things I have yet for this car to happen. Like, so many things. Appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, showing love and support, subscribing, everything. Truly appreciate it. And this has been your boy. Now I'm out.